Doing a tire change on an Audi something. Let me see. Audi Q3 tire change. Stay to the end of the video for the funny parts. All right. Hey, let me show you something. You see those are plastic nut covers. They're just covers. They're just plastic.
Right
yeah. There's a little tool to take them off usually. It looks like a little wire.
See in there okay?
Might be over here.
Is that it right there?
No.
Right there.
No, that's not it either. I could use this little screwdriver. Let me see here. It's not that big a deal. It looks like it's a little wire, weird looking thing. I probably got one in my truck, but let me see how hard it is to take these off. The screwdriver might work. Check in your glove box real quick. Check in your glove box real quick. It looks like a little can opener, basically. I got them. You don't have to find it. They're coming off real easy. I got it. I'm done. You don't need to look.
Okay.
Here, come here. Take these and put them somewhere. They just pop back on.
Okay. And they're just covers, right?
Yeah, they're just covers. BMW, German cars do that. Also have to use your wrench here. These are special lug nuts. Regular, that thing's not going to work that I brought.
Okay. If it's right there, then so if we're up there in the attic doing something, we look over and just check the light and hey, what's going on and all you guys. So what's the warranty on those bolts? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Sure.
They're also, German cars make them this way. See how they're long? Like an American car is just the end bolt. I'll put that in the back in a minute.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take it to the dealership here in a little while. I got a feeling she's gonna need some tires.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
I'm not sure if this is going to fit in there perfect because it's a pretty big tire, but it'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll take this thing out right here.
All right, it's nothing to sign. It's all digital. You're here, the car's here.
Yeah.
The robots know I'm here. In the old days, you signed with your finger, but now you can do whatever you want with your finger because I'm done.
Exactly.
Make sure you give me a good review. They'll send you a link here in a minute, okay?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's what they always give you a baby tire these days. They're making about half the cars without spare tires.
Yeah.
I carry around.
I'm just glad it has air in it.
Yeah, they're good. Just don't go driving, don't race on the Grand Parkway with that, and don't take off for Las Vegas unless you have to on that tire.
I'll let my wife know that.
All right.
All right. Well, hey, appreciate it.
All right. I'll take. Another happy customer.